Hi, welcome to this video. You will learn how to create and use this sticking substance painter. I will use the Affinity Photo tool, but you can use other vector software like Inkscape or Illustrator. Select the ellipse tool or press M. Put the mouse cursor in the middle. Press Shift and Ctrl, move your mouse. Move the ellipse up. Select the rectangle tool or press M and create a rectangle. With rectangle selected, press Shift and click in the ellipse to select both. And click in Align Center. Move the rectangle up. Select both. And click in Add to union the ellipse and rectangle. Select the ellipse tool again and choose a gray color. Create the ellipse, press Shift, Ctrl and move your mouse. Move the ellipse up. And duplicate, press Alt Shift and move your mouse. With both ellipses selected, press Ctrl G to create a group. Now press Shift, select the layer behind. Click in Align Center. Select the group and the layer behind again. And click in Subtract. Now I will create a triangle. Duplicate using Alt Shift and move the mouse. And click in Flip Horizontal. Select all triangles and the layer behind. And click in Subtract. Create a triangle again and move to the center. Select the triangle in the layer behind and click in Subtract. Select the corner tool or press C. Select these points in this cube. Click in one point and move your mouse outside of the scope. Select the screw and scale up, press Shift and Ctrl. Our stick is done. Click in File and select Document Setup. Click in Color and select Transparent Background. Export and select PNG. Now click in Export. Drag and drop your sticker in Substance Painter. Select Texture and Insert. Insert sticker. Drag and drop the custom sticker in your asset. Press R and scale down your custom sticker. Press E, you can rotate the custom sticker. Drag and drop your sticker in custom image. Our sticker is already on asset. Click in this icon for move your stick if you want. There are some settings what you can change. Like the outline. If your Substance Paint don't have the custom sticker, create a fill layer. Right click and select Add Black Mask. Right click again and select Add Fill. Drag and drop the sticker in grayscale. Press F1 to split the window. Scale down the sticker, press Shift to keep the proportions. You can change the color if you want. I don't know, but you need to have a white sticker. Otherwise, your sticker will be transparent. If you have any question, please comment below.